am all about trying new things and trying new recipes. I've heard of chicken shawarma, that's shawarma. I think that's how you spell it. Don't write in if I got it wrong. So yes, this is a Lebanese type of recipe. So you could use chicken, lamb, anything that you want. So we've decided to use chicken. So I'm using chicken thighs that have been deboned. So I have marinated the chicken thighs, and it has been in this dish for a good, I would say, 7 hours. It is best to leave it overnight, but I think that the minimum is 3 hours. So there is a garlic clove, coriander, ground cumin, ground cardamom, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, salt, black pepper, lemon juice, and olive oil.
Just brushing up on how to subscribe to It's Paul and Marcus on YouTube.
So I think that chicken thighs have the most flavor because it isn't as dry as chicken breast. Because I'm making it, I'm going to make a lot so that then there will be some leftovers for the next couple of days. So I am going to put this in the oven for a good 25 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Okay, now I am going to make the sauce for the shawarma, which will be yogurt, cumin, garlic clove, and some lemon juice. So I have 1 cup of yogurt. This is Greek style yogurt. 1 garlic clove crushed. 1 teaspoon of cumin and 1 squeeze of lemon juice. So I decided to make the chicken shawarma from scratch. I know that there are some brands and some stores that may sell shawarma recipe kits or something, like the ones that you just pour out of the jar, but I didn't want to do that. I wanted to be as authentic as I can without being from that region. I went through the painstaking way of marinating the chicken, getting all those ingredients and then putting it all together, and we are going to have it in a wrap. So I am going to be toasting them on this griddle pan, and then once it's warm I'm going to add some tomatoes, lettuce, and onions to it for an authentic type of feel to it. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to see how it turns out. Okay, I think that the chicken is ready now. This is gonna be quite hot. Okay, why don't I cut... Okay, so the flatbread shouldn't be breaking up like this. Maybe I need to buy a more premium brand next time, so I will learn that for next time. So I have some coriander that is already chopped up. Alright, so first thing I'm gonna put is the yogurt mixture. This will be the binding agent, I suppose, and then this will give it some more flavor because there isn't that much liquid in the rest of the dish. Let's add some coriander. Then I have my onions. Here's the star of the show. I'm not gonna add too much to it because we need to like close it up. Okay, one more for good luck. And then there is the lettuce, some tomatoes. I know what Marcus is thinking. He's thinking, how am I supposed to eat it like in one cup? Okay, I think I filled this. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is gonna be more like a taco. Jeez, this isn't even... I think I put too much. Okay, you know what? This is gonna be messy. I could taste all those flavors coming through. Especially the cumin, and also the paprika, and also the cardamom. Like you can really taste all that stuff coming through with each bite. You know what? I think that this tastes as good as they make it in the kebab places. So I think if I wanted a kebab, I could technically make it myself. I'm not an expert at it, but it does take some work, but I think that it's totally worth it, and I think it would be better for your wallet as well. So I'm going to eat up, and then I think I might just go to sleep after this because this is filling me up. You know what I think? I think that these wraps are too small or something. They're too flimsy. I think I only paid like about £1 for it now. I think maybe the more premium ones might cost like about 2 or 3 or something. But no, I think I like the taste of the yogurt sauce. I didn't know how easy it is to make, so not sure how much more I want today though. This is quite filling.